AI isn't going to take your job. Someone using AI better than you will. You've probably downloaded the tools, ChatGPT, Midjourney, maybe even tried building something. And yet, nothing's working. You're watching guys make 10K, 50K, 100K months online, and you're sitting there copy-pasting prompts hoping something sticks. Here's what nobody tells you. The tool is not the skill. Most people are collecting AI tools like Pokemon cards. The ones actually winning, they mastered one thing, one core skill that makes every tool 10x more powerful. And it's not coding, it's not design, it's not even marketing. I spent months studying the people quietly printing money in this AI era. Faceless channels doing 7 figures, solo operators running businesses with no team, beginners turning $0 into full-time income within 90 days. The pattern was impossible to ignore. Every single one of them had sharpened the same skill. I call it the A.I.R Method. 3 letters, life-changing idea. A. Articulation. The ability to tell AI exactly what you want with precision. Think of AI like the world's most talented intern. Give it a vague task, you get vague garbage. Give it a specific, structured prompt with context, tone, and goal, you get work that looks like it came from a $500 an hour consultant. One guy I know, 19 years old, no degree, is charging $3,000 per client to write marketing copy. His secret? He's not a writer, he's a director. He tells AI what to create, in what voice, for what customer. That's articulation. Wait, so the skill isn't using AI, it's communicating with it. Exactly. I. Iteration. Speed of refinement. The ability to move from bad to great fast. Most beginners create something, hate it, and quit. Winners treat the first output like a rough draft. They refine, they test, they adjust one variable at a time until it clicks. The difference between a $100 freelancer and a $5,000 one isn't talent, it's how many times they're willing to iterate before calling it done. R. Repositioning. The ability to take one output and turn it into 10. This is where the real money hides. One YouTube script becomes a Twitter thread, a LinkedIn post, a newsletter, a short-form reel, a podcast outline, and a lead magnet. That's 6 assets, 1 idea, 20 minutes of work. The people scaling faceless channels to millions of views, they're not creating more, they're repositioning smarter. Here's why most people never develop A.I.R. They want the output, not the process. They want the viral video, the passive income, the freedom, but they treat every tool like a vending machine. Insert prompt, receive success. That's not a strategy, that's gambling. The real skill is meta. It's learning how to learn, how to direct, how to compound small wins into big systems. And that terrifies people because it sounds like work. It is, but it's the last kind of work you'll ever need to master. Do this today, seriously, right after this video. 1. Pick one output you want, a script, a post, an email, one thing. 2. Write your prompt like a director. Give it context, audience, tone, goal, and a format. 3. Run it, hate it, rewrite the prompt, not the output. Change the input. 4. Repurpose the best version into at least 2 other formats. That's A.I.R in action. That's the loop the top 1% are running every single day. The AI era didn't make skills obsolete. It raised the price of real skills. Mediocre work is now free, which means exceptional thinking, precise communication, and creative direction are worth more than they've ever been. You're not competing with AI. You're being upgraded by it if you learn to wield it right. If this reframed something for you, drop the word A.I.R in the comments. I read every single one. And if you want the exact prompt framework I use to turn one idea into a week of content, follow. That's the next video.